Hey guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So vectors from freepik.com. I will add download link and project files. Let's select these layer clothes. Let's select this cloth 1 and cloth 2, cloth 3 and moon layer and cloth 4. Let's right mouse, precoms, add the name clothes, click OK, and let's make simple animation for cloth layers. Click this icon for black background and select these clothes. Let's press P, make new patching keyframe and go to 7 seconds. Let's move to right and this move to left and select these clothes, press P, make new patching keyframe and go to first second. Let's move to right and this move to right. Let's see. Okay, let's move to left. Okay, that's good. So select this layer. Let's select palm behind, move the anchor point here, click selection tool and press R. Let's hold alt click this time icon, open expression and let's write here expression wiggle 1 and 6. For down expression click this empty area. Let's see. Okay, this is very slow. Let's change this 3. This very fast. Let's change 1 and change this 12. Okay, that's good. So let's close this composition. Nice. And let's select this object 1, go to solo and select this palm behind icon, move the anchor point here, click selection tool and select this object 2, go to solo. Let's select palm behind, move the anchor point here, click selection tool and unsolo all layers. Then let's create new null object for controller. Go to layer, new and null object or control alt shift Y. Let's move the anchor point center, hold control, double click palm behind icon, click selection tool and change this name controller. Then select this object 1, object 2 and object main. Let's link to controller. For close this part, click toggle switch modes and select this flower layer. Let's select flower 2 and flower 3, link to controller and select this leaf. Let's link to flower 4, select this leaf 2, link to flower 5, select this flower 5 and flower 4. Let's link to again controller, select controller. Let's see. Okay, that's good. And let's press P, make new patching keyframe, go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut you can use hold shift, press page down in the keyboard. Let's move to down, go to 10 keyframe again, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's press N, select keyframes, make ease. Let's animation. Okay, this is very fast and select keyframes, hold alt, move to right for slow animation. Let's change work area. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So let's make endless animation. Hold alt, click this time icon, open expression, click play button, property and select loop duration. For down expression again click this empty area. Let's change work area 7 seconds. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So in this time let's select this layer object 1 and object 2. Let's press R, open rotation and make rotation keyframe for object 2 and go to 10 keyframe. Let's change rotation like this and go to 3 keyframe, 1 to 3, change this 0, go to 3 keyframe again, 1 to 3, select this keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V and select keyframes, make ease. Let's see. Go to graph editor and let's make smooth graph. Select this keyframe and make smooth. Then select this object 1 and in this time make rotation keyframe and go to 10 keyframe, change rotation like this, go to 3 keyframe, 1 to 3, change +5, go to 3 keyframe again, 1 to 3, change +8. Select keyframes, make easies and go to graph editor, select this graph, let's make like this. Okay, and in this time let's make rotation keyframe for object 2 again and go to 10 keyframe, select this first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, that's good. And in this time let's go to here, 2 keyframe, make new rotation keyframe and go to 10 keyframe again, select this second keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. And in this time again make object 1 rotation keyframe, go to here and select this first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's press N, let's see. Okay, and go to here, select this object 2, go to 3 keyframe, 1 to 3, change this 0, go to 3 keyframe again, 1 to 3, change -3. Okay, select keyframes, go to graph editor and let's make again smooth graph. Let's select this and make graph like this. And select this graph, let's make smooth like this. Okay, that's good. So click this icon for back to keyframes and go to here. Let's select these 2 layers. We can make loop animation with keyframes or loop expressions, but I will use composition copies. Let's go to last keyframe and go to edit, split layer and delete. Select these 2 layers, right mouse, precomps, add name, objects and click OK. Then back to main composition and Ctrl D, move to right and go to first, second, select these objects. Let's link to controller and let's Ctrl D again, move to right, again Ctrl D, move to right. Let's see. Okay, nice. So in this time select this object main and let's press P, and when go to here make new passing keyframe and go to 3 keyframe, 1 to 3. Let's move to down, move to right, go to 3 keyframe again, 1 to 3, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, make easies, nice, and select this center keyframe. Let's move to right. Let's select keyframes, hold Alt, move to right for slow animation, and select keyframes, Ctrl C, go to here, again Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, and again Ctrl V, and again Ctrl V, and again and again and again and finally again. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So select these flowers, all these flowers, and let's link to object main. Let's see. Okay, nice, and select this flower 1, let's go to solo and select palm behind, move the anchor point here, click selection tool and select flower 2, go to solo, let's move the anchor point here, click selection tool and flower 3, select and move the anchor point here, click selection tool and flower 4, go to solo, move the anchor point down here, click selection tool, and finally flower 5, go to solo. Let's unsolo flower 3. Okay, select flower 5 and move the anchor point here. Click selection tool, then select this flower 1 and let's go to FX preset, search effect wiggle. Select this wiggle rotation, let's use for this flower 1 and change wiggle amount 10. Let's see. Okay, that's good. Let's use wiggle rotation again for this flower 2. Change again this 10 and use flower 3. Let's solo and change 10. Let's see. Okay, nice. And let's use wiggle rotation for this flower 4 and flower 5. Let's change 10 and change this 10. Let's see. Okay, let's unsolo all these layers. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So select this leaf 1, let's open composition. Let's move the anchor points down. Let's select this. Move it down here. Okay, nice. And let's back to here. Select this flower 4, Control X, go to leaf 1, Control F, and move to here. And let's move to back. Okay, and delete wiggle FX. And let's select this wiggle rotation. Let's use for this leaf 1. Change this 10 and this wiggle leaf 2. Change 10. Okay, very nice. So close these compositions and select this leaf 1. Go to solo and move the anchor point down. Click selection tool and let's use wiggle rotation. Change 10. Let's unsolo. Okay, very nice. So let's select this flower 5, Control X, open leaf composition 2, Control V for paste, and delete wiggle rotation and this expression. Move to back and move to here. Let's move to down. Okay, let's select this leaf 9, select palm behind and move to down. Select this, move to here and select this and select this, move to down and this, move to down. And finally select this, move to down. Click selection tool and select the flower 5. Let's move to down here. Select all layers, move to up. Okay, let's use again wiggle rotation for this leaf 9. Change 10. And finally leaf 16. Then let's see. Okay, close composition and select leaf 2, go to solo. Move the anchor point down. Click selection tool and let's use wiggle rotation. Change 10. Let's see. Okay, let's unsolo. Let's see here. Okay, very nice. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.